kitchen with me, your host, Justine. Guess what? It has been 1 year since I've been putting out videos. So the first videos I put out last time were for Cinco de Mayo, and we're heading up to Cinco de Mayo again. So I'm gonna do a bunch this week. Just keep an eye out for my videos. We're gonna start today with roasted salsa or salsa rojo. It's very easy. I have jalapenos, a couple of them. I have garlic cloves, about 8 of them. I have tomatoes. I have 5 of those. And then I have a couple small onions. All I'm going to do, because I want to get as much char on these, I'm going to put them in the broiler and I'm going to cut them in half. And yes, I am going to use the seeds on it. And so these I'm going to do in slices so more char can hit. The char adds wonderful flavor to it. Tomatoes, the tomatoes I'm just gonna half. There we go. It's just all in a sheet pan. I should call it sheet pan salsa because it is so easy. But then you just blend it in a blender and you have yummy, yummy salsa. So let me get it on. You want to make sure that nothing is covered because you're going to put it in under the broiler and you're going to keep a close eye on it. Remember, I burn everything under the broiler, so just keep an eye on it. All you have to do is add some olive oil, a little bit, add some salt, and add a little pepper, and then just go like this. Get everything done. And by the way, this is how I make my verde salsa, which is the green salsa, but I use tomatillos. And then I just put them in there. I like my tomatoes to be flat so the skins can be roasted. There we go. As you can see, this is all on a pan. How can you go wrong? These ingredients, 4, so good. We're gonna add a couple more afterwards, but oh my gosh, you could do this and then just do cherry tomatoes, cut them up smaller, and put it on pasta, put it in rice. Make sure you have sides, because this is going to make the juice of the tomatoes and everything are gonna start coming out. If you just do it on a flat sheet, it's gonna go into your oven. That's why I said you can put this on pasta or in rice, and if you cut it up smaller, and you have something wonderful. My mouth is watering right now. So all I'm going to do is put this in the oven. I'm going to put it on, not the top rack, because I want it to cook a little bit. I'm going to put it on the lowest rack, put the broiler on, and I'm going to roast them, and they're going to get all toasty and brown. So I'm going to put these in. We'll be right back. Here it is. It's out of the oven. And look at that blister. That's going to make that salsa so nice. It gives it a different taste than just a raw jalapeno or garlic. It just gives it a more rounded, mellow flavor, I guess. I don't know. It's very good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in, get this into the blender. The salsas that I put out online, the flavors will marry, so let them sit for a little while. The sooner you eat it, the stronger the flavor is going to be. The flavors marry together and it becomes such a lovely, lovely cacophony of flavors. So all I'm doing, all right, there we go. I'm going to add cilantro to it, lime juice, and then that, and some cumin, about a teaspoon. And I'm going to, because I already salted it, so I'm going to blend it and then taste to see if it needs salt. There we go. Now I'm going to taste to see if it needs any salt. No, but it is a spicy salt. It does need a little salt. And it is a spicy salsa. Remember, if you don't like it spicy, don't put as many jalapenos in there as I did. So now I'm going to taste it with a chip. See? It's a pretty thick salsa. I have the chips. Let's taste it. For being in the oven, those tomatoes for only about 15 minutes, it gives it such a cooked flavor. Usually I'll add a little sugar to the salsa to get rid of the acid flavor. I don't need it in this. It is so good. Remember, if you want this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. Also, go to YouTube. Subscribe. There's going to be a little button. It's a bell. Make sure you ring that bell because then they'll be giving you all these new recipes. So, happy Cinco de Mayo. Enjoy. Thank you for the year that you've given me. I really appreciate all your comments, all your following, everything. God bless. Bye-bye.